open Office Base, Calculations in Groups. In this clip, we're going to have a look at how to add a calculation in your report group. So let's quickly create a report to work with. So I'm going to use my wizard. To do that, I'm going to select my table. I'm going to add a name, a surname, whether to invite them to a charity event, and the donation amount that they have donated. Right, let's go to our next screen. And I'm just quickly going to run through this. I'm going to add a grouping, invite to charity. So we want to see who we're going to invite and who we're not going to invite. I'm not going to add any sorting. And then I'm going to modify the report. Okay, so I'm going to select Finish now. Right, and let's have a look at our design view here. Okay, so we've got a grouping called Invite to Charity. And it's always important to remember that if you want to do a calculation, it has to be in a footer section. So I'm just going to right click on my report and open up my sorting and grouping menu. And I'm going to add my footer. Okay, now that we have a footer present, we can now add a calculation to our footer. And to do this, I'm going to select Insert, Report Controls, and I'm going to insert a text box because that's what you'll use to insert a function. Right, once you've got that open, you can double click on it to open the properties. And now we're going to add a function. So in our properties, select the Data tab. Here I'm going to select Field or Formula. And where it says Data Field, I'm going to click on my little command button next to that. And I now want to say I'm going to use the sum function. So you can scroll down to find the sum function. Okay, select Next. And now you can select the field that you want to insert here. Okay, so I'm going to click on my command button over there and I'm going to say use the donation amount and insert that. So there's my formula, equals sum of the donation amount. And then remember to save your report before going on to the next step.